My name is Mary Gaynor. I'm currently an E&L teacher at Fairfield Elementary School located in Massapequa, New York. I have a bachelor's degree in early childhood and childhood education from Iona College and a master's degree for TESOL from Malloy College. I am currently working on completing my Google Apps for Education certification through Stony Brook University. With various Google Apps, I'm learning how to engage and educate my tech-savvy students to ensure that they are prepared for real-life scenarios. My district has just rolled out a one-to-one classroom using Chromebooks. Becoming a Google certified teacher, it would allow me the opportunity to share modern-day advances with my colleagues, such as Google Forms, to alleviate the stress of grading all assessments. Today in this video, I'm going to model how to create an online quiz using Google Forms. Google Forms is a valuable tool that provides instructional information for teachers, students, administration, and parents. Gone is the day where you have to wait a week or longer for a teacher to hand back a graded test. Using Google Forms, data can be instantly put into a spreadsheet and analyzed to track students' progress, such as pre- and post-assessment, quizzes, tests, and much more. First, access Google Forms and then click on the Blank Quiz tab. I am going to demonstrate how to use a quiz to determine if the students understood the grammar lesson that I taught yesterday. In the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to label it noun as well as in the blank quiz title. Underneath, I'm going to label it post-assessment so that my students understand that this will be graded. Here's the question box. In here, I'm going to add my question. And on the side here, there are different types of answer choices. For today's purposes, I'm going to choose multiple choice. On the line here, you can write whatever answer you would like. For this quiz, I'm going to put true and false. If you scroll down to the bottom left-hand corner, there's an answer key tab. I'm going to go to the right hand and award it 10 points for it to be graded. Then I'm going to select the correct answer, which is true, and a green tab will highlight up with a green check mark. Then there's also other tabs here on the side if you want to add other questions, text, images, or videos. Then up at the top, you can change the color of the quiz to your desire. For today's purposes, I'm going to choose green. The setting tabs, you want to collect email addresses and limit to one response so that students' grades are as accurate as possible. In the quizzes section, you want to make sure that that is on, and that if you would like the students to get their grade, you select that tab. Then you are ready to send your link to the class either email or by showing the link to the students. Once completed, the results will directly link to the quiz and data charts will display student results. Say goodbye to those red pens and hello to Google Forms.